Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Grace. And for today's video, I am collaborating with Espoir Sun Serum. Guys, if you're looking for a sunscreen, try Sun Serum instead. It's something like this. I honestly don't think I can go back to regular sunscreen. It gives SPF 50 plus broad spectrum protection to help protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays, but it feels more like a skincare serum than a sunscreen. So just dispense a small amount and rub your finger together to melt the serum and apply it evenly to your face. So what I love most is how quickly it absorbs into my skin. It has no greasy residue, no sticky feeling, and it's absolutely zero white cast. This is also contains caffeine to help reduce the look of puffiness and tired looking skin, while hyaluronic acid helps keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Send this to someone who still skips sunscreen. This is the Espoir Sun Serum. My skin looks fresh, hydrated, and protected without feeling like I'm wearing sunscreen. So if you're tired of greasy sunscreens and white cast, give this a try. I put the link in the description box below so you can check it out. And if you are in Costco, definitely check this product out. It's one of the best skincare finds I picked up lately.